What's up, Motorbeats, and welcome back to another video. Just in case you're wondering why I'm here, I will let you know in just 1 second. So today I will, for the first time, fly a drone. It is something different. Usually I do motorcycle stuff, reviews, but I think since I'm going to add the drone to my channel, I think it's an important part to just give you like an insight how I'm going to start it up, fire it up, and shoot some nice footage. And just stay tuned if you're interested.
And a chance, we won't stand a chance.
Out there who are curious to see what kind of drone it is and what it comes with, so just check it out. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so this Fly More kit comes with 3 additional batteries, so with a battery pack and the charger to it. So I actually forgot the actual charger to it, but it's just like a USB-C plug. You can plug it in here and with a adapter to it. So the other thing, obviously the main thing, the drone itself is 249 grams, so one of a lightweight. So the remote apparently got bigger compared to the previous generation, so that's now the standard to all of the DJI drones, which are going to come out in the future. I don't mind. I mean, it's pretty sturdy, lays good in the hand. And so as you can see, there are 2 sticks, one pair of joysticks or sticks, which go actually in here. You also get an additional spare pair just in case you break them or whatever happens to them. A tiny screwdriver, as you can see. You're gonna use that just in case the additional propellers, so you get a three set of propellers, and just in case you have to change them, you're gonna use that screwdriver for that. And the other things, you get some additional cables, which actually go from the remote in here, Lightning or just regular for Android. And these are 2 additional cables. I mean, I don't know if I'm ever going to need an additional pair, but who knows. So that's what comes out of the box of a DJI MINI 2 Fly More kit. And I actually love this bag. It's really handy, good quality, feels good, and really practical. I paid $599 before Uncle Sam. Not too bad, you know. It's not very cheap, but it's also not too bad. And when you later see in the video for what kind of footage you get out of the camera without even actually do some kind of color grading or editing to it, it is amazing. So stay tuned.
I tried it. Better say something that will blow my mind. If I have learned one thing, it's wasting time. I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance.
So that's really one thing I really want to point out, is that I did not do any kind of color grading on this footage, so it comes straight out of the drone. So whatever you see is whatever comes out right out of the drone. And the other thing is going to be that there's not going to be a lot of talking in this video, because I want you to get a good impression of that drone, so what it can actually do, what it's capable of. So stay tuned for that and enjoy the video.
I
you're seeing in the video is actually not my car. So my car is right now at BMW for some warranty work. This is a loan vehicle from BMW, also called a courtesy vehicle. So once my car's back, I'm gonna introduce it to the channel as well, because it's gonna be some kind of like a project car. So I'm gonna do some little things here and there. So stay tuned as well for that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I did. Honestly, I was so excited to do this today. I love the way the drone flies. I mean, it's the first time for me, and I think it's a very user-friendly for a completely new beginner. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? I think it's awesome. So until the next video, I'll catch you then. Before I end this video, make sure to subscribe and like. That way you can support me, and I can do all these nice things and crazy stuff and invest more into my channel. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next one.